Hey everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create this image hover effect using HTML and CSS. Before proceeding further, please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel, for more tutorials. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Open your code editor. Then create an HTML file. Use the link tag to include our CSS file. In the body, create a div element with class as image container. Inside it, create another div with class as image. Our HTML part is ready. Let's write the CSS. Create a CSS file. For the body, set margin to 0. Set min height to 100 VH. Set display to flex. Set justify content to center. Set align items to center. Set background color to 222. For the image container class, set width and height to 720 pixels. You can use your dimensions as well. Set position to relative. Set cursor to pointer. For the image class and image containers before selector, set width and height to 100%. For the background image, you can set URL to your image. Set background size to cover. Set background repeat to no repeat. Set background position to center. For the image class, set filter to grayscale and its amount to 100%. For the image containers before selector, set content to empty string. Set position to absolute. Set top and left to 0. Set clip path to circle. 0 at 50%. 0. Set transition to all, 0.9 seconds. Set Z index to 1. For the image containers after selector, set content to empty string. Set position to absolute. Set top to -100 pixels. Set left to 50%. Set transform to translate text with -50%. Set width and height to 20 pixels. Set background image to linear gradient. As for the colors, pick any two major colors from your image. Set border radius to 0%, 100%, 100%, 100%. Set opacity to 0. Set transform to rotate at 45 degrees. For the image containers on hover after selector, set animation to fall, half a second, and cubic bezier to 1, 0, 1, 0.81. For the image containers on hover before selector, set clip path to circle, 1028 pixels at 50%. Zero. Set transition to delay to half a second. Make sure to check that the circle covers your entire image, if you are using your own dimensions. Let's declare the keyframe rule. Change opacity from 1 to 0. Also set top to 100 pixels. Here, our final effect is ready. So, that's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. Please be sure to drop a like on the video, and subscribe to my channel, for more tutorials.